Welcome to this report on AI supercharging minds, where we explore how advanced technologies can enhance human intelligence rather than replace it. Over the next slides, we'll walk through the building blocks, uses, risks, and policy ideas that make cognitive amplification possible, setting the stage for practical and responsible applications of AI in everyday and professional life. This slide lays out the technological foundations that make real-time cognitive enhancement possible, from cheap cloud compute and ubiquitous sensors to large language models and emerging neural interfaces. The diagram shows a feedback loop, reading information, predicting and processing, then feeding insights back into cognition, which together enables scalable intelligence amplification across different tasks and contexts. Here we introduce the idea of an infinite external hippocampuses, an AI external memory bank that augments our recall and decision-making. The visual shows a brain linked to a cloud, illustrating how AI retrieval, summarization, and contextual integration reduce overload, speed up learning, and support better strategic foresight and faster, more confident decision. This page highlights AI-powered adaptive tutoring systems that diagnose knowledge gaps, personalize practice, and give instant feedback. The flowchart and charts show how algorithmically generated, subject-specific exercises can cut mastery time and sustain motivation through gamified progress, helping learners achieve deeper understanding far faster than traditional, one-size-fits-all approaches. Neural interface technologies are moving from decoding motor and speech intentions to the prospect of direct knowledge streaming into cortex. The illustrations compare current decoders that enable typing by thought with future bidirectional systems that could stream curated data into the brain, restoring communication for patients and accelerating learning and comprehension. Neurostimulation and cognitive modulation use tools like transcranial magnetic stimulation and focused ultrasound to target cortical excitability and deliver temporary cognitive boosts. The slide explains mechanisms and shows benefits for working memory, attention, and creative fluency, highlighting that these interventions can be safe, reversible, and practical for controlled, office-like applications. Complementary cognition describes a partnership where shared digital workspaces let AI handle heavy pattern search and data processing, while humans contribute intuition, ethics, and contextual judgment. The diagram emphasizes how this synergy raises performance, improving medical diagnostics, speeding engineering innovation, and producing outcomes neither humans nor machines could achieve alone. AI democratizes expert agronomy by turning a single photo of a leaf into PhD-level diagnosis and actionable advice, as shown on the left, while the right-hand map depicts global expertise distribution through cloud services. This approach lowers barriers, delivers instant advanced knowledge to resource-limited regions, and helps boost crop yields and food security. This slide warns about the risks of over-reliance on AI, showing how recommendation engines and constant assistance can erode critical thinking, creative confidence, and memory retention. The right side sets an educational imperative. Curricula must deliberately train autonomous reasoning alongside tool proficiency to prevent skill erosion and preserve human judgment. Here we cover the broader challenges and imperatives, socio-economic and privacy risks from high-cost implants or subscription barriers that could widen inequality, plus unprecedented neural data privacy threats. The recommended responses include open standards, public funding to democratize access, and strict data governance to protect cognitive liberty and fair use. The policy framework slide proposes balancing innovation with safety by setting safety thresholds for brain devices, certifying augmentation services, and clarifying neural data property rights, paired with societal safeguards, voluntary adoption, protections against coercion, and monitoring for addictive enhancements. These measures aim to foster innovation while guarding individual well-being. Finally, the hybrid intellect concept reframes the future as partnership rather than replacement. AI's strength is data and computation, while humans bring values, creativity, and empathy. The visual underscores that by combining these strengths, we can better tackle global challenges like climate, health, and equity, redefining progress through collaboration.